Welcome to another product video review on SillyReviews.com. Today we're going to review the Saitek Eclipse Backlit keyboard. This keyboard is automatically backlit. It's a USB keyboard. It has two settings. It has a light backlight and it has a brighter backlight, and you also have the option to turn it off. Right now it is in the off mode and it is plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on its brightest feature, and let's see if we can see these keys any better. Success. You can see that the keys are very visible, standing directly above the keyboard. Now let's see what happens when I sit in my normal position with focus, on my head, my eyes, their height once I'm sitting down to the keyboard, and if you can still see the keys as well. Okay, now you notice this, I have the camera right at about my eye height on how I like to sit down and type. Now when I bring it down, you can see that it's harder to see the keys. I can see the backlight behind or below the keys, but the actual letters on the keys not as easy to see with the backlight on in a dark environment. So for someone like me, if I make mistakes on using the colon or the period or whatever, and I haven't completely memorized the keys where I don't have to look down ever, this may not work for me. Now if I raise the seat that I sit in, it's adjustable. It'll bring me higher, but this is not comfortable for my arms. This is not comfortable for my hands. It's not comfortable for me to sit this high, but only at this height are the keys extremely visible. Once again, we'll drop down, not as visible. So I guess it all depends on how high you sit up in relation to your keyboard, and how much do you really need to see these keys? Just a little bit? This will probably help. If you need to look a lot and you're sitting at the angle that I do, not going to do so well for you. Again, this is the Saitek Eclipse Backlit keyboard. You watch this review on SillyReviews.com.